nature's defense against sheet erosion. Soil erosion is a process where the top layer of the soil is removed. These happen due to various factors that can common our region and water. Soil erosion is a significant environmental issue because it degrades the quality of the soil, making it less fertile and less able to support life. The type of erosion I conducted is sheet erosion. I put erosion kit November 13, 2023 at Makini Salute Carabao.